The fastest way to solve this question is to convert each fraction into a decimal and then to arrange these values in ascending order and choose the middlemost value. Now, one way to convert fractions to decimals is to use long division. So, for example, to convert 1936 into a decimal, we divide 36 into 19. This is one method. I want to show you a second method. Now, before we begin doing any conversions, we could recognize that we can eliminate two of our answer choices. We can eliminate A and C. Why can we do this? Well, notice that all of our fractions are all very close to 1/2. However, 1936 and 6/11 are both greater than 1/2, where the other three fractions are less than 1/2. What this tells us is that our fractions 6/11 and 1936 are both going to be our two largest fractions. Now, it doesn't matter which one's the largest and which one's the second largest. All that matters is that these two fractions cannot be the right answers. So now we have to convert the other three fractions into decimals. We'll begin with 12/25. To do this conversion, I want to rewrite this fraction as a different fraction with 100 as its denominator. To accomplish this, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator of our original fraction by 4 to give us 48/100ths, which is equivalent to 0.48. Our second conversion, 5/11. I want to rewrite this fraction as a new fraction with 100 as its denominator. What do we multiply 11 by to get 100? Well, we know that 9 times 11 gives us 99, so we need to multiply 11 by a number slightly larger than 9. I'm going to use this notation. This means I'm multiplying by a number slightly larger than 9. So once I do this on the denominator, I also multiply the top of the numerator by a little bit more than 9 to give me a number slightly larger than 45, which if we convert to a decimal is equal to a number slightly larger than 0.45. And finally, I want to convert 8/18. First, recognize that 8/18 is equivalent to 4/9. And now I want to write 4/9 as an equivalent fraction with 100 in its denominator. What must we multiply 9 by to get 100? Well, 9 times 11 is 99, so 9 times a number slightly larger than 11 will give us 100. Now we multiply the numerator by a number slightly larger than 11 to give us a number slightly larger than 44. And this converts to be equal to 0.44 plus a little bit more. From here we can see that our values in ascending order are 8/18 is the smallest number, followed by 5/11, and finally 12/25. Since 12/25 is our middlemost number, we know that the answer is B.